This is why you need data visualization. Every day we encounter it in countless forms, touching every aspect of our lives. But when faced with raw data, it can feel like staring at an unsolvable puzzle. Numbers and figures alone can be daunting, almost impossible to decipher. This is where the magic of data visualization steps in, transforming complexity into clarity. It turns raw data into visual stories, making it accessible and understandable. Suddenly, we can see and analyze information with ease. Patterns, trends, and insights emerge, revealing the hidden stories within the data. A well-crafted visualization can weave a compelling narrative, making data both engaging and informative. It empowers us to make informed decisions backed by clear insights. Picture a spreadsheet with thousands of rows and columns, a sea of endless numbers. It's overwhelming, and extracting meaningful information feels impossible. Now, imagine that same data transformed into a vibrant chart or map, instantly making sense. The information comes alive, and the story behind the data becomes crystal clear. In today's data-driven world, visualization is key to seeing the bigger picture. It unlocks the potential of data, whether in business or research, turning it into a powerful tool. From boardrooms to laboratories, data visualization is essential for understanding and communicating information effectively, making it an indispensable tool in our modern world. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights on mastering data visualization. Why are there not more people talking about Plotly? In the vast world of data, this powerful and versatile tool quickly became the go-to ally for anyone looking to bring their data to life. With Plotly, creating interactive and visually stunning charts, graphs, and dashboards became a breeze, turning mundane data analysis into an engaging and insightful journey. Plotly's magic lies in its ability to handle a myriad of data types and visualization options. From simple datasets to intricate multi-dimensional data, Plotly could do it all. Whether you dream of crafting simple bar charts or envision complex three-dimensional visualizations, Plotly was there to ensure your data was presented in the most captivating way possible. But what truly set Plotly apart was its enchanting focus on interactivity, allowing users to dive deep into their data in meaningful ways. Imagine hovering over a data point and seeing a treasure trove of information pop up, or zooming in on a specific section of a graph to uncover hidden details. Plotly made it all possible, enriching the depth of your data analysis. With an intuitive API and extensive documentation, Plotly made it easy for both novices and seasoned experts to create breathtaking visualizations, ensuring a seamless experience from start to finish. Whether you were a data scientist, a business analyst, or a student, Plotly empowered you to transform raw data into compelling stories, making your insights shine brightly for all to see. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights on mastering data visualization with Plotly. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. You need to hear this if you're a data enthusiast. Imagine standing in front of a vast array of data visualization tools, each promising to be the best. You wonder, which one should I choose? Enter Plotly, a tool that stands out in the crowd. Plotly's versatility is like a magician's hat, pulling out a diverse range of charts and graphs. From simple bar charts to intricate three-dimensional visualizations, Plotly handles them all with grace. But that's just the beginning. Imagine interacting with your data as if it were a living, breathing entity. With Plotly, you can hover over data points to uncover hidden details. You can zoom in and out, exploring the depths of your data like an adventurer on a quest. And the best part? Plotly is incredibly user-friendly. Its simple and intuitive API makes creating visualizations as easy as pie. Even if you're a beginner, you'll find yourself crafting impressive plots in no time. And for those who work with Python or R, Plotly integrates seamlessly, making it a trusted companion for data scientists and analysts. So why choose Plotly? Because it transforms data into a captivating story. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights on mastering data visualization with Plotly. If you're a data enthusiast, then you need to hear this. Setting up Plotly is your first step to mastering data visualization. Let's set the stage for our story by walking through the setup process for Python and R, the two heroes of our tale. For our Python users, the first chapter begins with installation. Picture yourself opening your command prompt or terminal and typing. With a few keystrokes, the Plotly library is downloaded and installed on your system. The next step in our story is importing the library. In your Python script or Jupyter notebook, you begin by importing the Plotly library using. Now, for our R users, the journey starts with installation as well. In your R console, you type. This command installs the Plotly package in your R environment. The next chapter involves loading the library. Before diving into the world of Plotly, you load the package by typing in your R script or console, and just like that, you're ready. With Plotly successfully installed and imported, you're now equipped to explore the fascinating world of interactive data visualization. The adventure awaits. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials and tips on mastering data visualization. You need to watch this if you struggle with creating your first data visualization. In this chapter, we embark on an exciting journey to create our very first plot. With Plotly set up and ready, our adventure begins. Imagine yourself as a data wizard, fingers dancing over the keyboard, conjuring up your first plot. Our first spell? A simple bar chart. This will be our gateway to mastering the basic syntax and workflow of Plotly. For this magical demonstration, we'll use a sample dataset provided by Plotly, a treasure trove of data waiting to be visualized. In the realm of Python, you can summon this data with a simple incantation. Meanwhile, in the land of R, the spell to load this data is just as straightforward. Now, to create our bar chart in Python, we weave the following code, and with a simple command, we bring our chart to life. In R, the magic words to create the bar chart are, to perfect our creation, we update the layout with, and just like that, congratulations! You've conjured your first Plotly visualization. This enchanting example shows how effortlessly you can create stunning charts with Plotly's intuitive syntax. The world of data visualization is now at your fingertips. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting content. If you're a data enthusiast, then you need to explore 3D plots and maps. Welcome to Section 6, where we embark on a journey to unlock the secrets of advanced visualizations with 3D plots and maps. Imagine a world where Plotly's capabilities stretch far beyond the ordinary, into the realm of the extraordinary. In this world, we explore its advanced features, crafting stunning three-dimensional plots and interactive maps. Picture this, three-dimensional plots. With Plotly, you can visualize data in 3 dimensions, creating captivating visualizations that unveil insights often hidden in 2-dimensional plots. Imagine crafting 3-dimensional scatter plots, surface plots, and even intricate mesh plots to represent complex data relationships. Now let's talk about maps. Plotly's seamless integration with Mapbox opens the door to creating interactive maps for geographical data visualization. Envision plotting, choropleth maps, scatter maps, and even adding custom markers to pinpoint specific locations. These advanced features transform Plotly into a powerful tool for exploring complex datasets and uncovering hidden patterns. Whether you're delving into geographical trends or visualizing scientific data, Plotly equips you with the tools to create engaging and informative visualizations, making your data stories come to life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights on mastering data visualization with Plotly. This is why you need Plotly. Welcome to Section 7, where we dive into the world of Plotly in action. Let's explore some real-world applications and success stories. Imagine a tool so versatile and powerful that it has found its way into the heart of various industries. From the bustling world of finance to the critical field of healthcare and even the dynamic realm of e-commerce, Plotly is revolutionizing data visualization and interpretation. Let's start our journey in the world of finance. Picture a financial analyst surrounded by multiple monitors, each displaying intricate stock market charts and data. This is where Plotly shines. With Plotly, these analysts create interactive dashboards that track stock prices, analyze market trends, and visualize investment portfolios. These tools are their compass, guiding them to make swift and informed decisions. In the fast-paced world of finance, the ability to handle large data sets and create visually appealing charts is invaluable. Plotly transforms complex data into intuitive visuals, a key to financial success. Now let's shift our focus to healthcare. Imagine a healthcare professional analyzing patient data on a computer, tracking disease outbreaks, and monitoring treatment effectiveness. Plotly is their trusted ally. With interactive dashboards created using Plotly, healthcare professionals gain insights from complex medical data, enabling them to make informed decisions. These insights are crucial for timely and effective patient care. Finally, let's venture into the world of e-commerce. Picture a team analyzing sales data, tracking customer behavior, and optimizing marketing campaigns. Plotly is their secret weapon. By visualizing data with Plotly, businesses can understand customer preferences, identify growth opportunities, and enhance the overall shopping experience. Plotly turns raw data into actionable insights, empowering businesses to make data-driven decisions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights on mastering data visualization with Plotly. You need to hear this if you're a data enthusiast. Once upon a time, in the vast world of data, there was a tool named Plotly, renowned for its extraordinary powers. Throughout our journey, we've seen Plotly's magic unfold, transforming raw data into captivating stories. Let's revisit the enchanting strengths that make Plotly a hero in the realm of data visualization. First, its versatility. From simple bar charts to intricate 3D plots and maps, Plotly effortlessly adapts to any visualization need. Next, its interactivity. Imagine engaging your audience with interactive elements that breathe life into your data. Then, there's ease of use. With its intuitive syntax and comprehensive documentation, Plotly welcomes users of all skill levels into its fold. Integration is another strength. Seamlessly blending with popular programming languages like Python and R, Plotly becomes a trusted ally in your data adventures. And of course, its visual appeal. Craft stunning visualizations that not only captivate, but also convey your message with elegance and clarity. With Plotly, you unlock the true potential of your data, transforming it into insights that resonate and inspire. And so, our tale of Plotly's strengths comes to a close, but your journey with data visualization is just beginning. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights and tutorials. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Are you struggling to make your data tell a compelling story? Welcome to the final chapter of our journey. Dive into the world of Plotly. Imagine a world where data comes to life, where every chart tells a story and every graph reveals hidden insights. Plotly is your gateway to this world, offering a powerful and user-friendly platform to craft stunning interactive visualizations. We invite you to embark on this adventure and explore the endless possibilities that Plotly has to offer. Dive deep into its rich documentation, experiment with various chart types, and unlock the potential to create compelling data narratives. Here are some resources to guide you on your journey. Plotly website, https://plotly.com/ Plotly documentation, https://plotly.com/python/. Plotly community forum, https://community.plotly.com/. Begin your adventure today and harness the power of data storytelling with Plotly. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel. Share it with your friends to help us create more valuable content for you.